Most English learners know how to say, "Hi, how are you?" But then the conversation dies. That's boring. Today, you'll hear a natural dialogue between two new friends. I'll explain the phrases step by step, so you can actually use them in your daily life. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll have 60 new expressions ready to roll off your tongue. Hey, is this seat free? Or am I stealing it?
Go ahead, it's all yours.
Thanks. Coffee's basically my survival kit.
Same here. This place feels like my second home.
Notice Emma didn't just say, "Is this seat empty?" She used, "Is this seat free?" Much more natural in English. And Ryan replied with, "It's all yours," polite and friendly. Then Emma said, "Coffee's my survival kit." This is a fun, advanced way of saying, "I need coffee to live." These little touches make you sound fluent. By the way, I don't think we've met. I'm Emma.
Pleasure, I'm Ryan. So, what brings you here, work, or just escaping reality?
A little of both. I freelance, so cafes are my office.
That sounds ideal. Freedom with good Wi-Fi, right?
Emma said, "I don't think we've met." This is more elegant than just "What's your name?" Ryan said, "Pleasure," short for "pleasure to meet you." And notice his phrase, "escaping reality," a stylish way to say taking a break. Finally, Emma calls cafes her office. Try using metaphors like this. It makes your English more colorful. So, outside of work, what keeps you sane?
Books. I'm a sucker for mystery novels. And you?
Travel? Every new city feels like a new chapter.
That's poetic. Got a favorite?
Istanbul. Kama. It's like walking through history and Instagram at the same time. Emma asked, "What keeps you sane?" This is much deeper than just, "What's your hobby?" Ryan replied with, "I'm a sucker for mystery." Novels. If you say I'm a sucker for something, it means you love it deeply. Emma's line feels like a new chapter. Is another metaphor. It makes her English sound elegant. And finally, walking through history. This is luxury English. Vivid and stylish.
You know, you've got good energy. Easy to talk to.
Thanks. That's kind. Same goes for you, honestly.
Appreciate it. So, what's on your bucket list?
Learning Italian and living by the sea?
Ambitious. I like that.
Here Ryan uses, "You've got good energy. This sounds warm and modern. Not robotic like you're nice." Same goes for you, is a natural reply. And bucket list means the things you want to do before you die. Notice Ryan's one-word response, ambitious, short, stylish, and powerful. You seem like the type who cracks jokes at the wrong time.
Guilty. Humor's my coping mechanism.
Better than sulking, I guess.
Exactly. Life's too short to be serious all the time.
Emma says cracks jokes at the wrong time. This is playful teasing, not boring small talk. Ryan admits with one word, guilty, very natural. Coping mechanism is advanced vocabulary. And life's too short is a perfect conversation finisher. This was fun. We should do it again before life swallows us whole.
Totally. Same time, same coffee fix.
Deal. Let's swap numbers before the universe distracts us.
Saved. Don't ghost me now.
No promises. Emma says before life swallows us whole. A dramatic, stylish phrase. Ryan uses coffee fix slang for coffee habit. Swap numbers is a natural phrase. Much better than give me your phone number. And don't ghost me means don't disappear without contact. These are phrases young people actually use today. Your tongue. And there you go. 60 natural phrases packed into a single conversation. Notice how none of these lines sound like a textbook. They're elegant, modern, and full of life. If you practice these daily, you won't just speak English, you'll live it. I've also added a free study planner in the description so you can organize your practice step by step. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who wants to sound fluent too. See you in the next lesson.